Hello everyone, I am Kenneth Vincent Kabungkal, your Mr. Supranational Philippines 2025. We visit here in the Surge new branch here at Gateway Mall 2.
So what's your preparation for your upcoming competition? So it's next month, right?
Yes, we will be flying next month, June 16 to be exact. And our competition will be on June 28.
Okay, June 28. So
Yes.
what is your preparation in terms of your physical, yes?
As of now, we have a lot of preparation today, most especially for our Q&A, our physical. Araw-araw po tayo nagti-training, everyday Q&A, everyday yun. And we are also processing our visa, lahat ng mga kailangan natin, suit, national costume, lahat yun. And dahil gusto po nating manalo and gusto ko pong sana na magawa natin yung best natin, just like what Brandon did.
May motive na ba for the national costume? Pwede ko na bang i-reveal?
As of now, baka hindi pa po pwede. But I think pwede naman yung designer natin. That is Axel Cue.
Wow. So, Kenneth, right after the coronation night, anong una mong ginawa?
Right after the coronation night, since pumunta po yung pamilya ko dito, nagsama po kami, tas kumain sa labas. But after noon, nagpahinga kasi medyo napagod din sa duration ng pageant. But eventually, nakapahinga po tayo. And now, we're ready to, we are preparing for a big event that will be in Poland.
Alright. Talking to your pasarela, is there another pasabog ba sa international pageant mo?
Oh yes po, as of now, we're training sa Aces and Queens. And doon, marami po akong trainers doon na tinuturuan po ako ng mga bagong style and more about pasarela na hindi ko po natutunan on my previous pageants.
Alright. Ano sa tingin mo yung pinaka katangian na hinahanap ng isang Mr. Supranational?
For me po, someone that is authentic, he's friendly, he's kind, he's humble, and I think we have that values as a Filipino. And I think aangat po tayo sa international stage dahil po dyan. And hopefully, yun yung maging parang key to success natin sa supranational.
And what are you looking forward sa Mr. Supranational in Poland?
Marami po, since this is my first time going outside the country. I'm expecting to see beautiful places around the world and makikita po natin yung mga likha ni Lord. But aside from that, I'm also excited to connect with different country, with different people from the different parts of this world. Yun, sana maging connected tayo. This is not just about competition, but this is about connecting with each other.
So have you talked to Brandon and did he advise you on how to get the first ever crown of Mr. Supranational?
As of now, nag-contact ako kay Brandon, but medyo busy siya. But I have also friends past supranational, which is AR de la Serna, sila Johannes. So yun, humingi pa ako ng advice sa kanila kung anong ginawa nila on the previous years, and ano yung mga tips and pagkukulang nila before, and kung ano yung mga i-apply ko doon na mga kailangan kong gawin para sa supranational.
Alright, let's go back to your performance during Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide. So, how will you rate your performance during that night?
During that time po, since every time naman po na lalabas tayo sa stage or in any event po, always naman po nating binibigay yung best natin. Sir, I can say that that's a 10 out of 10. Pero siguro mas more pa. Kaya natin mas lagpasan pa yon in international stage.
Were you expecting that night for, aside from Mr. Supranational title or more than that?
To be honest, gusto ko po yung Supra, but hinayaan ko na po si Lord kung ano yung ibibigay niya sa akin. Sinabi ko po na whatever answer yung ibigay niya, manalo o matalo, yun po yung destiny na ibibigay niya sa akin. Kaya whatever it is, go po tayo doon. Accept po natin.
Pero if you were to choose, Supra ba or other crowns?
Sinabi ko po yun sa closed door that I would love to to have supranational as my title kasi yun yung perfect na mag-align sa akin, being aspirational, inspirational. Yun yung parang connected sa story ko, sa personality ko, parang align po siya sa values, sa core values ko, sa person. And parang perfect po ako sa pageant na doon, na yun. So, hopefully, sana po mag-align din tayo doon sa organization nila. And magiging easy lang yung mga gagawin natin doon. And parang smooth lang lahat na wala tayong masyadong problems. Most especially na this is my first time living outside this country.
Have you seen other candidates na ba for Mr. Supra? Nakita mo na yung mga ibang candidates?
Yes po. Actually, bago po tayo sumali sa MPW, nakita ko na po yung mga
makakalaban
may
mo.
mga makakalaban. Pero not everyone. But nakikita ko na po. And we have also friends from my previous batch, previous pageant. And mga kaibigan po nila yun. Kaya yun, naging connected po easily yung mga kabatch ko ngayon. So
Nag-drive kayo, gano'n?
Oo,
Kasi magkakakilala
nag-follow
na
lang
kayo.
kasi magkakilala na yung mga friends ko from them. So, easy lang. And hopefully, magkakaroon tayo ng friendships there from different country. Na kasi yun yung important na madadala natin a lifetime. Friendship.
Katawaan lang, sa palagay mo, sino yung magiging kalaban mo talaga? Anong country? Katawaan
Ngayon,
lang, yes.
sa supranational,
Sino yung threaten ka? Parang gano'n, sino yung threat sa sa crown for you?
sige,
Parang
hindi
ganon.
naman po threaten, but I think
katawanan
someone na
naman.
nakikita ko na siguro mag-i-stand out, parang si Netherlands ata, tsaka si Italy, siguro, si Italy, yeah.
Actually, pinost ko yun. Ewan ko
Paris,
nakita
Italy.
mo, yung dalawa kayo ni Netherlands. Parang, who will be next? Parang gano'n. Anyway.
Malakas din.
How about your wardrobe? Okay na ba? Settled na ba lahat? Kompleto na?
Sa wardrobes ko po ngayon, I think inaayos pa naman kung sino yung mga susuotin natin. But may nalaman ako doon, siguro sikat na designer sa Pilipinas. Yung
Sa fashion industry.
susuot, fashion industry. Na susuotin natin sa international stage. Kaya I'm very thankful and grateful po sa bagong organization kasi maayos po lahat. Like everything na parang spoon feed, gano'n, but ginagawa din natin yung part natin para maging doble yung atake.
Yes.
Any sign during that coronation night na the Mr. Supranational title will be yours?
That night,
Yeah.
siguro po during closed door. Kasi
So, naramdaman mo na.
naramdaman ko after ko pumasok dun sa room, nag-closed door interview, tapos parang it's very smooth, like nasabi ko lahat ng gusto kong isabi, like parang natural lang from my heart lang kung ano yung gusto kong sabihin. Tapos nakita ko yung may-ari ng Supra, parang bumilib at na gumana yung sarili ko, performance ko dahil parang okay na yun.
Nagkausap ba kayo ni yung current na Mr. Supranational?
Si Fizil, Dr. Fizil. Yes po. Actually, one-on-one kami. Nag-talk kami. Ano tawag dyan? Binigyan niya ako ng advice kung ano yung mga mangyayari doon and how you deal with the people there. Paano yung lugar doon. Medyo malamig daw ngayong June.
Ay, wow.
Kaya dapat ready. Ready lang always and just be you. Continue to be you. Don't mind about the crown. Mind about your story. Bring that to international stage and use that as your power. Yun sabi niya sa akin.
Alright, so you can ask support for your upcoming Mr. Supranational national pageant.
So, Pilipinas, samahan niyo ako sa Poland. I need you, everyone. Most especially sa mga naniniwala sa atin, sa mga friends natin, sa aking pamilya, sa lahat ng media. Continue to support me on this journey. Kailangan ko po kayo. Wala po ako dito kung wala kayo and wala po ako doon kung wala po din kayo. So, hopefully, ilalaban ko to and sana tulungan niyo ako sa laban na ito.
What are you most excited about sa segment ng Mr. Supranational?
Most exciting part, I think yung makapunta lang doon po is I'm very excited for that kasi yun talaga, it's my first time and sa ibang lugar and ito din na magre-represent tayo again sa Philippines sa international stage. I'm very excited for that and I hope na hindi ko to sasayangin na opportunity na nangyari sa buhay ko.
How about segment? Like mga swimwear?
A segment
Ano,
production,
yung production,
ang production nila.
Very-
Siguro yun.
Very lively kasi.
Very lively, fun lang, tas parang
Yeah.
ang saya, di ba? Yung opening nila.
And yung nakita namin sa'yo during the Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide. Yes. Oo, kasi medyo mas, oo. Hindi, mas ano kasi yung performance niya nung Mr. Pilipinas
Happy
Worldwide.
lang,
Very lively, yes.
Enjoy lang,
And
happy
hindi
lang.
hindi namin naramdaman.
Napi-feel ko din yun. During my performance, parang tama yung ginagawa ko as what I am expecting. Kasi
Yes.
from the previous pageant, siguro mas gigil ako nun.
Yes, and-
Tapos, mas ngayon, kinalmahan ko lang. And yun yung parang naging way na manalo tayo dun.
Kaya kagandahan kasi sa'yo, during the other segments, parang chill ka lang. Pero
Chill,
nung
yeah.
nag-finals, doon ka nag-outshine.
Yeah.
So parang nagulat yung mga tao na, meron pa pala ibubuga si Kenneth. Parang gano'n.
Exactly. And no pressure at all.
Wala,
Diba?
to be honest, parang hindi po talaga ako kinabahan during that night.
Which is good.
Parang
Madadala mo yung
parang
international stage.
parang dahil siguro sa experience, isa yun sa nakatulong sa atin. Parang wala talagang kaba, parang tama ba to Lord na hindi ako kinakabahan. Doon ang tanong ko sa sarili ko, but I think dahil sa experience and dahil sa gabay ni Lord, something na tumutulong sa akin is prayers po talaga.
Saka trust in yourself. Siyempre, nagtiwala
yeah,
ka sa sarili.
sarili.
mo. Kaya
Tama din
smooth
naman.
lang din
Yes.
yung competition.
Parang it's a good win.
Alright, so thank you so much, Kenneth, and best of luck sa journey mo sa Mr. Supranational 2025.
Thank you so
sa
much,
Poland.
Mami. More interview soon.
Yeah.
Ingat kayo always.